Welcome to my series on £1 Chinese work lunches. Today, we're making a classic, takeaway-style egg fried rice. A portion from a takeaway can set you back £4 to £6. This version, it costs just about £1 per serving, and it's perfect for meal prep. Here's what you'll need for 2 portions, costing around £2 in total. 200 grams of rice, 2 eggs, 1 grated carrot, a handful of frozen peas, and a tablespoon of soy sauce. And of course, a little oil for cooking. Let's get started. First, cook your rice and let it cool down completely. V's key for that perfect fried rice texture. Next, scramble the eggs in a hot pan with a bit of oil, then set them aside. Now, in the same pan, fry the grated carrot and frozen peas until they're cooked through. Add the cooled rice to the pan along with the soy sauce. Stir everything together, breaking up any clumps of rice. Finally, stir the scrambled eggs back in, and there you have it, a lunchbox full of fluffy, golden rice with that proper takeaway flavor. A delicious and satisfying meal for just £1. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to watch out for the next video in the series.